Short Tiger, how are you?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. What's happening?
I'm good, man. So, a last person who drank this water, she rated it out of 10 out of 10. So, I'm not sure about you.
All right, let's
Yeah. Yeah, this is OTR Brands. It's on the rocks. A premium filtered purified water.
No, just
Tastes very nice, ne?
yes. I'll give it a 9.
Nine.
I'm talking a 10.
10. Okay, thank you very much. Do you want some more?
How much is it?
It's 18 rand, 5 liter.
18.
Yeah.
That's good.
Then I have a 500 milliliter small bottle, which is this bottle. It's 5 rand.
5 rand.
Yes.
All right. 5 rand.
Yes, 5 rand.
It's this.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
how much is it that side?
Okay. Do you want water?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bro.
Can have some.
Water.
OTR brands.
You had water, not water, but water.
Yeah,
Water.
this is not water, it's water, bro. This is some tough stuff.
Yeah.
I drank this water the whole week.
Ah,
I like it very much.
look that. I need that.
I'm not buying any water anymore. I want to buy from